Bonaire, su fuente de energía y prosperidad, está bon conectar con otro si aplica teoría de Feng Shui riba a isla. Fundación Monumento Zorg ha invitado al maestro de Feng Shui, tal vez arquitecto Ronald Ching de New York, para visitar Bonaire y analizar isla con teoría for de Asia. Después, Ronald Ching aduna alguna recomendación.
First thing that I would advise about the Pasagran is actually really more of the area surrounding the Pasagran. And right now I am located in the Wahalaman Plaza here. And I would really like to propose, number one, to maybe take away the parking lot, which is beyond us, and to really make a very nice plaza between the government building and to the Pasagran. And I would also like to recommend maybe create a beautiful focal point, have a beautiful round fountain and water energy. And yes, I know you're surrounded by a lot of water here, but it'd be a very nice focal point to put a round, beautiful fountain here. And in feng shui means wind and water in Chinese, about creating harmony and balance of ourselves and our space. And by having a beautiful round fountain here, it'd be a very nice way to kind of create a very nice community feeling over here. Also, I would like to recommend the entrance to the Pasagran, which is very beautiful, nice stairs. I think it'd be really very nice to match the entrance to the government building across the way and to open up the fence to have a beautiful gate to match the entrance over there. So from a feng shui perspective, it makes a very nice communication between the government and the Pasagran.
Otra recomendación que Cheng aduna tapa quita el toilet público banda de Pasangran. De outra banda, según Cheng, Bonaire de sua bandeira acaba tinha balança necessário para sua bandeira ter toda a coluna principal da central de Feng Shui, com exceção de color.
There is a very large pole of lights, over the parking lot. That would be a really perfect location to put the Bonaire flag and to paint the pole green. And that's what I'm going to be talking about this evening in Feng Shui. You have the balance of the 5 elements: fire, earth, metal, water, and wood energies. And it's very interesting. I looked at the Bonaire flag. It has all the different elements except one, which is the wood, which is associated with green. So that's why I want to paint the pole green, so that it really balance all the elements for Bonaire and also make a very nice impression for people to come here. It says, this is where I like to come visit and to kind of, to dive and to just meet different people here.
Para lo que trata el monumento nang, y especial es nang kuta para Bashi, el maestro de Feng Shui tahanya kumester duna na otro destino.
And one of the things that I understand, a lot of the homes, specifically the private homes, the monuments, are owned by a lot of families and they don't like to move forward. And I would like to encourage those families to really help preserve their own homes. And I would like to, just to kind of make it much nicer if they don't want to live here anymore, just to kind of rent it out to other people who would enjoy this. And actually for me, if I were to come visit Bonaire, I would love to kind of rent out a home rather than being in a hotel. It'd be so much more nicer to really be part of the culture and really to experience it.
Ha informado para Energía Informativo, Feivel Maduro.